If Lightroom is showing the not enough memory error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without the constant interruptions. This is a common issue on Lightroom desktop, especially when you have a lot of photos, heavy catalogs, background apps running, or not enough free disk space. The good news is, in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling Lightroom or losing your work. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, start with the easiest and most important step: close background apps. If Chrome is open with lots of tabs, or if you have video editors, games, browsers, or other memory-heavy apps running, Lightroom may not have enough system resources left to work properly. On Windows, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. On Mac, open Activity Monitor. Look for apps that are using a lot of memory, especially Chrome and anything you are not actively using. End those tasks carefully, then go back to Lightroom and check if the error is gone. Next, clear the Lightroom cache. Cache files can build up over time and cause performance issues, especially if Lightroom has been syncing, previewing, or processing a lot of images. In Lightroom Desktop, go to Edit, then Preferences, then open the Local Storage section. Here you should see an option to Clear Cache. Click Clear Cache and confirm the action. This won't delete your photos, but it can remove temporary files that may be causing the memory problem. After that, restart Lightroom and test it again. Now let's increase the cache limit. In that same Local Storage tab, you can set a larger cache size, and that can make a big difference for larger catalogs. A good starting point is between 20 and 50 gigabytes, depending on how much free space you have on your computer. If you edit lots of high-resolution images, a larger cache helps Lightroom work more smoothly. Just remember, this only helps if your drive actually has enough room, so don't set it too high if your storage is already almost full. And that brings us to the next fix: free up disk space. This part is very important. Lightroom uses disk space for temporary files, previews, cache, and cloud syncing. If your drive is nearly full, Lightroom can easily throw memory-related errors. Try to keep at least 30 gigabytes free on the drive where Lightroom stores its cache and working files. Delete old downloads, empty the recycle bin, remove unused files, or move large videos and archives to another drive. Once you've freed up space, reopen Lightroom and see if performance improves. If you are working with a large cloud library, the next step is to pause sync. Click the cloud icon in the top right corner of Lightroom and choose Pause Sync. Heavy syncing can put extra pressure on system memory, especially while Lightroom is importing, generating previews, or applying edits. Pausing sync temporarily reduces the load and can stop the not enough memory error from appearing while you work. Once you finish your edits, you can turn sync back on. Another useful fix is disabling GPU acceleration as a test. Go back to Preferences, then Performance, and turn off GPU usage. After that, restart Lightroom completely. On some systems, GPU acceleration can cause memory or rendering issues, especially if your graphics driver is outdated or your computer is right on the edge of its hardware limits. If Lightroom becomes more stable with GPU turned off, you may want to leave it off or update your graphics drivers and test again later. Finally, lower your editing load. If you are applying multiple masks, AI edits, or heavy adjustments all at once, Lightroom may struggle to process everything at the same time. Try editing one image at a time and apply changes step by step instead of stacking too many actions together instantly. This reduces memory spikes and can make Lightroom feel much more stable, especially on laptops or older computers. So to recap, close background apps, clear the Lightroom cache, increase the cache limit, free up disk space, pause sync if your library is heavy, test GPU off, and reduce editing load by applying edits one by one. In most cases, one or more of these fixes will solve the not enough memory error quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Lightroom fixes and software tutorials, and drop a comment if you want help with a specific Lightroom error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.